What's up, everybody? Just a small little video tonight. We got some rain that's been moving through, so the car's still covered up. I just filled it up enough so I could work on the left side. The last video you seen, I had the right side. It was all primed and had the glass in the back and then the door. So you can watch as I put the door glass in this door from a distance. This is the glass for a Nomad, and it's real simple. You can see the screws right there. Once it sits down in there, it's got a little track. This actually goes on your window mechanism. It rolls up and down. So you put this in your grooves, and then them screw holes line right up once you get it down there. A hardtop and a Nomad glass is very easy to put in. As you can see, I just put that in a matter of no time. And I got the headlight bezels that showed up today. I mean, normally they're really pitted. You can see the gap. It takes a rubber seal. But normally them are pretty pitted. But they're actually very decent. I got these bars. I need this. Got the grill. But I've been working on it today. I put this on. This got all the... And you can see it still needs a little bit of adjustment. It's not 100% tight there. But I started to strip that. I got to strip all that. And then there was some putty there. That's what I found underneath the putty. That's a real gem right there on the quarter panel. And look what's poking out of that one too. So whatever's underneath that clump of putty and what's underneath that one should be interesting. Here's the chunks of putty I popped out of it today around that one. Pretty thick. Yeah, and this one's even got the imprint of the rivets. A few videos back I told you this is how they used to do the cars when I was growing up. That's like galvanized steel. Who the hell would put that on their car? But you could tell it's going to need some work on this particular side. And I just got the tarp just somewhat peeled back so the car itself doesn't get rained on, and I could just kind of work on this side a little bit. The other side's just, I'm waiting for some clips before I'm going to do a video on putting the side trim on the car. But this is about all I could do, is a little bit each night before we're right back to the dark. So I figured you'd like that little thing. But yeah, that window went in real easy. It's just 4 little screws. And then it needs a little bit of adjustment, but other than that, pretty easy to get in there. And this door is going to need some work. You can see it's got a dent right there where something hit it and rolled down the side of the quarter panel, or right down the side of the door. So, slow project. We'll get it piece by piece, and I got that slider glass. I just got to get the rest of the window trim on around there. Then I can put that slider glass on it. And then if I get the clips, I can put the side trim on the other side. I'm just trying to gather pieces for the car, because I didn't realize what it was missing until I started working on it. And there's not much happening in the garage. The one guy commented the top was relaxing nicely, and it sure is. That top's doing good. Hope everybody's staying safe out there. You guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video.